Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Ravi Aesthetic Physio. So, in the subject of biophysics, we are taking another topic which is role of density in electrotherapy. So, basically, why we are studying electrotherapy in biophysics? So, all of the things we are studying in biophysics, like sound waves, electrical waves, or light waves. So all the things are studying for future purpose for electrotherapy it is in uses. So density is also part of electrotherapy, and why we are studying density in electrotherapy? So we are studying here. So and in ultrasound therapy, treatment is provided with the help of infrared wave, air, fast waver of higher frequency and flow of property of sound wave. So it is state that the ultrasound therapy, the sound therapy is produced, their density is higher, and their medium is available necessary for traveling the sound wave for healing purpose in providing healing purpose into the body. It is non-thermal providing healing sometimes, and most of the time providing is non-thermal heating, but less of the time providing thermal heating. So there is a medium, there is a like gel medium or water medium there for ultrasound therapy. Thus, this is the sound travel into the medium. Hence, the medium should be dense. That is, particles should be closer to each other. Like the medium is to be denser, so the particles are attached with each other. It means the intermolecular force is to be higher compared to the gases, and it is lesser to the solid. So the traveling of the sound wave of ultrasound is to be like good for in this medium. Like gel, ultrasonic gel is like used in our electrotherapy while applying the ultrasound condenser head over the treatment area. So gel is beneficial for that. So because it transfers the ultrasonic wave, and without any reflection, it will be directly inserted into the skin. So next, next is to be viscosity. So what is viscosity and why it is essential in our biophysics? So it is friction between molecules and fluid. Example, when a fluid flow through the tube, a fluid moves slowly along its way. It means have a fluid, and it is present in a tube. So how much take a time to travel and cross to the one space to another space? So their distance between and the taking time between one place to another place is to be their viscosity. High viscous fluid is to be example is like ultrasonic gel, honey, and less viscous fluid like H2O or distilled water. Surface tension, it is the tangent tendency of liquid surface at rest to shrink into deep, minimizing surface area is possible. It means we have like working on the treatment, applying the treatment protocol on the patient. So surface tension of the water is over the beneficial for that patient. Next is to be adhesion and cohesion. The force which gets different types of molecule attract to each other, adhesive force. On the other hand, the force which gets to same type of molecule attract to each other is to be called cohesive force. It means there are two different types of molecule are attached with each other and make a molecule. It is a force of adhesion and make a adhesive molecule. And two same type of molecules attach with each other and make a molecule is to be called as cohesion force or cohesion molecule. So that is the cohesion and adhesion, some important topic. Next will be role of current in physiotherapy. So in physiotherapy, current refers to electrical current used in treatment modality called electrotherapy, which applies electrical stimulation to the body to achieve therapeutic goals like pain relief, muscle strengthening, improved circulation, tissue healing by stimulating nerve and muscle through the skin. So the current, it is working mechanism of pain gate theory, stimulation and contraction, relaxation of the muscle to relax the pain, stimulate the nerve fibers, contraction of the muscle will be occur on that place. So tissue healing, circulation will be increased, and heating for providing pain relief and analgesic effect. So that purpose we using current in physiotherapy. So that is the role of current in physiotherapy. Some important topics we are studying, it will become 1 marks in biophysics. So pain management. So electrical stimulation can block pain signal traveling to the brain by activating the body's natural pain relieving mechanism often used to chronic pain condition. Like we are applying the TENS modality, it will be work on pain gate mechanism. So it will be like reduce the pain signal which will come arise to the brain. So you stop that and it will be help and relieve mechanism of chronic pain condition. We will use also the IFT over there. Muscle strengthening. By delivering electrical impulse to the muscle, it can induce muscle contraction, helping to strengthen weak muscle and prevent atrophy. Like muscle not goes to atrophy, muscle wasting. We are applying the muscle stimulation. It will be like contraction, relaxation rapidly occur on the muscle, and the innervated nerve fibers get re-educate over there, and muscle will be again activated. Next is to be improved circulation. Electrical stimulation can increase blood flow to the area, promoting healing and reducing swelling. like we are applying the ultrasound therapy, so it will be reduce the edema or the pain relief. There is the sound wave therapy is also occur at that place, and there are some electrical current is to be like short wave diathermy. It will be implement on the large surface area for relieve the pain. Next to be nerve stimulation. Depending on the current type and setting, it can be used to stimulate nerves to improve function and condition like nerve. If nerve is innervated or denervated, so we can apply the muscle stimulator. Either it will be thoracic or galvanic for re-education muscle, and the contraction relaxation of the muscle will be occur. Tissue repair. Some form of electrical stimulation are believed to promote tissue healing by enhancing cellular activities in injured area. So if there is scar tissues occur, so we are applying over the wax therapy or whirlpool baths, so they can help to reduce the pain signals, and also the debridements are occur over to remove the debridements over there. So that is the some key points of biophysics. Thank you.